2035, the sky is burning red. Machines rule, humanity's threat is dead. Steel and cold, no room for doubt. The war is on, there's no way out. But in a workshop far from the noise, a printer hums, not a weapon, just a choice. Layer by layer, the future's rebuilt, a killer reborn, but without the guilt. They said it's over, the end of the line. Skynet one crossed every sign, but one slice of file, one perfect plan, and the T-800 starts thinking like a man. No explosions, no laser beams, just stepper motors and broken dreams. Bolts and parts align just right. A Terminator printed for a different fight. Control regained, a machinery written, unchained, not by force, not by war, but by Prusa, and a spool once more. If robots rise and take the crown, we'll print the future, break them down. One layer, one idea, one design. The resistance prints every time.